Dear students, good evening. Now the time and topic we are going to discuss, that is politics. This politics is not concerned to parliamentary election or local election. This is very much concerned to the business organization, unionism, leadership, etc. Organizational politics, in this point, Allen and SVS speaks. Organizational politics involve internal actors, intentional actors of influence to enhance or protect the self-interest of individual or groups. And Meisberg, politics is a subset of power, treating it as informal power, illegitimate in nature. According to Business Dictionary, the pursuit of individual agendas and self-interest in an organization without regard to their effect of an organization's effort to achieve its goals. So some points that we are getting identified here as per the above prominent author's opinion. Organizational politics may be either good or bad for an organization. It can gain more growth for the employees and organization. It involves intentional acts of influence to enhance the self-interest of individual or groups. It involves intentional acts of influence to protect the self-interest of individual or groups. But actually, in the broader sense, we always say ethically, as for common purpose, is for the group, is for the community. But faith and trust upon politics is day by day declining. In a state of positive thing, negative sense rise fast. Anyway, but theoretically, we need to go through one books. Then we have to mention some objectives of organizational politics. In that point, number one, to obtain power. Goal of politics is to obtain power. If I want to do something for the betterment of the organization or of the community, for the workers, both for the workers and for the employers, then there is the question of politics. Without politics, we can't gain power. And without power, we can go for the any solution. Then the next point is to gain recognition. There is a question of recognition. Until unless I am recognized by my community, then no use. So positively, politics is the way of gaining recognition from my colleagues, my subordinates, or as a leader, my followers, from my followers. Then, to increase productivity. Politics is done to explore productivity, to influence workers and employees of the organization to do better, to do well, or actively, unitedly, with sincerity and devotion, gaining political power, gaining authority by politics. This way we can influence. But if not happening, then from the sideline is not that much possible. Then, to settle dispute. any dispute occurring between employer and employee, or even among the employees, then politics is there necessary. Politically, this problem can be solved in a state of muscle, but conceptually, by politically, those problems can be solved, creating a congenial atmosphere. Then, to settle, to gain self and group interest, and again, all the times is said that to settle self and group interest. If I want to do something better for my group, those who are depending upon me, politics is there necessary and indispensable. So, but actually, our trust declining, our confidence declining, the common people's satisfaction declining, because politics is very much concerned to personal development. Maybe concept is negative, but it's in practice. Develop power. When there is a politics, if someone is a leader and someone won in an election, he or she is empowered. This empowerment enlightening him to do his assigned duties and responsibilities in the right way, in the right track for the better future. To protect self-interest, again and again the same point is coming. To protect the self-interest, my own interest will be confirmed by politics. To earn money and income. Nowadays, politics is very much concerned to income and money. Even the union leadership that is concerned to income and money. How the union leaders are maintaining their living standard. How they are using automobile vehicles, purchasing flats, apartments or land. What is the source? What are the sources? Sources is politics. As politics empowering them, so that they are doing so many things. Then to develop environment, politics is concerned and connected to build up a congenial environment. In that environment, the people will be inclined and interested or to act in the right way and right manner. Organizational politics in Bangladesh in full variety of characteristics. These characteristics varies from organization to organization and time to time. Few characteristics of organizational politics are discussed below. Organizational politics is mostly personal interest oriented. Union leader, they are telling all the time, yes, for this purpose, this is my ideology, this is my philosophy, I am ready to sacrifice my last drop of blood for the betterment and development of my colleagues' workforce or the personnel, those who are working in the factory or the business organization. But actually, there is a question of negotiation. And that lastly, that happens. In a number of cases, politics is used against the interest of the organization. And this has been found. So many giant industries in Bangladesh, they crashed. Say for the Adamji jute mill, became no use, and lastly that was declared abandoned. Why? Because excessive political activities were there in a state of engaging themselves in the manufacturing work or in production or maintaining quality or maintaining schedule. They were all the times in collision or in excessive politics. That is disastrous. And private organization politics cannot flourish. But private owners, they don't like politics because I am investing in money, not for your politics. I am investing here 10 crore taka to get return. But if the workers and employees are very excessively engaged in politics, instead of earning a mere percentage, rather that will decline. As a result, owner of the factory will suffer from bank loan, huge bank loan, and the owners may commit suicide also, or they may go into jail. This is the scenario, tragic scenario. So, tooth and nail, they don't like political organizations in their business organization. Almost all people involved in politics have become moneyed men. Almost all people nowadays, this is found, their interest is to be moneyed men. Yes, I'm doing politics, so it will possible from my side to do land business, to do black money business. As I am empowered, I am a leader of a certain organization, so no problem. The law and order enforcing agency sometimes may not pay their loop. And almost most of the politicians are involved in their unfair practices in or manipulation. So I need not to go through maximum this point discussion because the discussion will not be fair. For gaining people's support, most of the politicians do not work within tolerance limit. And we know the situation each and every day. We opening the pages of news, then we see so many matters happening, so many tasteless or odd things are found where the politicians or the political people are very much, political leaders are very much engaged. Then all organizational politicians are elected to their regular assignments. They are not that much interested to do that because they are already empowered, and so no problem from their side to do their scheduled duties or assignment in the right time. Organizational support from the opposition parties. After losing the power, party position once upon the time support politics, and opposition party then goes against the politics. Anyway, organizational politicians are highly ambitious. Organizational politicians are highly ambitious. They want to hold power. They are power seeker, and they seek more senior power, top to top. Yes, that's their concept. Intergroup political violence is a very dangerous thing and disastrous. Now some points regarding the same points, same discussion, same in nature, but again and again question is the different, answer is the same. That is the problem, whole trouble. So, advantages of organizational politics. How many minutes gone there? So, motivating employees. Politics is to motivate the workers and employees of the organization. So the workers and employees will be very much interested to do their scheduled jobs and duties with sincerity and devotion, if the politics is positive in nature. If not so, then that is negative, or rather that will decline the productivity of the organization. Registering in discipline, very nice word, nice thing. Politics regist in discipline, in disciplinary attitude, atmosphere within the organization. I don't know how far is correct. You are mature guys, you know it better. So, increase productivity. I told, discussed it earlier. A political leader is very much positive, yes, then they may request and ask the personnel and the working class people, yes, to do rather let's do our duties with sincerity and devotion, so it will possible from our side to manufacture right quality at the right time, minimizing wastage. So as a result, our organization will be able to earn huge profit and will get our salary and wages in the right time and benefits also. Then gaining then influencing employees here, there's gaining dignity and recognition. Employer or manager might give dignity and recognition to employees. Very nice word, which may sometimes happen, but most times it's not happen. Successful bargaining, and it's possible by the political leaders, union leaders, to go when they go for the bargaining with the employer. But this way of sometimes bargaining is disastrous when they don't follow the interest, the existence of the factory or the business owner itself, then that untimely may collapse. Then using group effort. Very nice thing, nice sentence. Yeah, group effort, very positive then, when politics is positive. Selection of suitable leader. Yeah, that is the whole trouble. It's quite tough nowadays from barely, if we think in the context of Bangladesh, it's quite tough enough to select the right leader, right union leader, who will fight for the development of the workforce, of the workers and employees of the organization as a whole, for the betterment of the organization itself. Yes, for longer versus sustaining and doing better business, manufacturing quality goods and services, so that the organization will earn huge profit. Then, this is the concept and this is the advantages, proposed advantages, how far that will be possible to attain. I don't know. As a long time my teachership, my experience is better. Anyway, this is the concept of politics. With the help of politics, empowerment, because of empowerment to attain personal interest and group interest. Group means if group interest is in the broader view, broader perspectives for all the workers and the employees of the organization, then no problem. But if it's simply concerned to a few person, or only for the leader or his surroundings, then that is disastrous. In that point, politics will be very much harmful rather in a state of positive to declare. So, politics now is just the later now. And in the next day, we'll go through the students on the factors contributing and influencing to political behavior. This I will discuss in the next class. At the same time, the conditions for successful organizational politics. The two things will be discussed in the next classes. Okay. Dear students, keep yourself inside the house. Pandemic situation is going on. Winter is starting. And coronavirus, don't be nervous. Don't be worried. Don't be worried for coronavirus. Take regular exercise and take your immune developing food, say for the eggs, milk, orange, lemon, sufficient food and drinks, and take water. I mean at least 10 glasses water each day. And maintain your regular exercise. And you work under the sun, okay, at least 1 hour. So no problem from your side, and corona is not problem. We don't bother corona. Yes, keep yourself safe and pray to Almighty Allah to save us from corona virus pandemic situation, and let our business organization remain open. Our economic practices must be carried on smoothly. Thank you very much. Wish you good luck, best of luck.